All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day, cauliflower. Cauliflower. So cauliflower. A vegetable that has a white flower head with creamy white buds. So white flower head and creamy white buds. Yeah. How cool is that? See, cauliflower used to be my favorite vegetable. Yeah. I like to eat cauliflower. Yeah, because cauliflower is healthy. Healthy. How cool is that? See, they always prepare more cauliflowers. Yeah. Their garden is always growing too many cauliflowers. Yeah, there are a lot of them. A lot of cauliflower. There are a lot of cauliflowers. There are a lot of cauliflowers in the garden. Yeah. How cool is that? So I often eat cauliflower. They always sell more cauliflower. She wants to cook with cauliflower. He does not know how to grow cauliflower. It might be the biggest cauliflower in the world. Yeah, the biggest cauliflower in the world. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. There was always more cauliflower. There's always more cauliflower in the field. There is more cauliflower in the field. Yeah. How cool is that? You're cooking cauliflower. How? Because I know that you can boil cauliflower. Yeah. Putting it in very hot water. Makes sense. How cool is that? Eventually they will grow more cauliflower. Yeah, don't worry about it. They always want to grow cauliflower. Yeah. It grows easily in most soils. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use cauliflower in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.